Hello there, students. Hello there, learners. So, our today's topic is expressive quantity. So, this is the unit 5, and we are on the roundup 3. So, let's get started and repeat, then act out.
Unit 5. Expressing quantity. Page 29. Listen and repeat, then act out.
Sam, if apples are 75 pence a kilo, how many kilos can you get for £3.40?
None, sir.
What do you mean, none?
I'd buy a lot of chips instead.
Okay, so we have done it. Let's check the next one. Countable and uncountable nouns. We know that we have nouns as countable and uncountable. Deməli, sayılan və sayılmayan isimlərimiz var. Deməli, cəmdə sayılan isimlərlə impositiv biz istifadə edirik a lot, lot of, lots of. Sual formasında many, how many. Negativ, yəni inkar formasında isə biz many-dən istifadə edirik. Uncountable isə sayılmayan isimlərdir və onlarda ancaq a lot of, sual formasında how much, much, bir də ki, inkar formasında much kimi istifadə edirik. So, a lot of or lots of are used in the affirmative with countables or uncountables. Deməli, a lot of və lots of həm uncountable-na, yəni sayılan və sayılmayan istifadə eləmək olar. Məsələn, there are a lot of stars in the sky. There is a lot of milk in the bottle. Many with countable and much with uncountables are used in the question. Yəni, many ilə much sol formala istifadə olunur. And negations və həm də nida cümlələrində. Many and much can also be used in affirmative informal English. Həm də, deməli, danışıq ingiliscəsində yox, yəni daha rəsmi ingilis dilində many ilə muchdan, yəni təsdiq cümlələri istifadə olunur. Məsələn, how many friends have you got? There isn't much jam in the jar. Many people learn English formal. Many burada rəsmi deyənə istifadə olunur. So, let's take a look at this one. Write a lot of, many or much. So, you can see that we have here, there are a lot of blueberries. There aren't. Nə olar burada? İnkar cümləsini bizdə nədir? İnkar cümləsində many or much. İki dəndir, yəni saya bilirik. There aren't many. There aren't many radishes. So, there isn't, inkarda yenə də much honey. There aren't mushrooms, cəmdədir, sayıla biləndir. There aren't many mushrooms. There is, cəm sayılmayandır. There is, görürük ki, burada həmin təsdiqdədir, ona görə istifadə edirik. Lot. There is a lot of cəm. Və sonuncusu, there aren't many apples. So you can also check out these answers. Okay, let's take a look at the next page. So, fill in the gaps with a lot of, much, or many. So there are a lot of birds in the sky. I haven't got much homework today. John hasn't got many CDs. There aren't many cars in the street. There is a lot of sugar in the bowl. Are there, sual cümlələrində bizdə nə deyir burada? Sual cümlələrində much ya da many apples sayılandı, ona görə many. Are there many apples on the tree? Jane has got money. Jane has got a lot of money. Ya da ki much money. Is there much bread in the cupboard? Are there many children in the park? We are early. We have a lot of time. So you can also take out this one. Okay, choose the correct item. There aren't children in the classroom. There aren't many children in the classroom. There isn't much cheese in my sandwich. I have got a lot of books in my bag. There aren't many strawberries in the bowl. How much milk is there in the carton? Are there many trees in the park? We have got a lot of flowers in our garden. There isn't cola. Much cola, yeah, because it is juice. Okay. You can also check the answers. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So read the conversation between Anne and her mom. Then fill in the gaps with much, many, a lot of, how much, and how many. I am going to the corner shop, Mom. Do you need anything? Yes, I do. I need a lot of tomatoes to make some sauce for the pasta. So, tomatoes, it is countable. So, in this case, we need to ask how many tomatoes exactly. I think 2 kilos is enough. I need some cheese as well. Of course. How much do you want? I don't want a lot. Maybe a half of kilo. Also, I don't want much. Sorry, I don't want much. Maybe a half of kilo. Also, there isn't what? Much milk left. Yeah. Get another liter, please. Okay, what about bread? We have a lot of bread. We have a lot of bread left. We don't need any more. Can I get some chocolate for myself? Yes, you can, but not much. It's 2 bars, okay? That's fine, but don't eat a lot, all of it at once. Okay, mom? So you can also check the right answers. Okay, so next go to the next one. So listen and repeat, then act out.
Unit 5, page 31. Listen and repeat. Then act out.
No chocolate until you wash your hands. But, Mum, look at my hands. They are clean. Give me some chocolate, please.
I can't see any soap or water on them.
Well, Mum, there is dry cleaning, you know.
Okay, we have listened to this, so let's check the grammar. Interrogative, positive and negative. Deməli, sual cümlələrində biz anydən istifadə edirik. Təsdiq cümlələrində some'dan, negativdə, yəni inkar formasında isə no, not any. Əgər biz soruşuruqsa, məsələn, nə qədər təxmini bir şey var, yəni yox dərəcəsində ola bilər. Biz bilmək istəyirik ki, var yoxsa yoxdur. Sayını soruşmuruq, olub olmadığını soruşuruq. So, are there any eggs? Yes, there are some eggs. No, there are no eggs. No, there aren't any eggs. Some is used in positive statements. Any in question and no or not any in negations. Is there any meat in the fridge? No, there is no meat in the fridge. Or there isn't any meat in the fridge. There are some bananas. Some is also used in the interrogative when we expect a yes answer or when we want to offer something. Deməli, some biz bayaqda dedik ki, təsdiqdə işlənir. Amma əgər biz kiməsə nəsə təklif ediriksə və sualımızın cavabını bəli olaraq gözləyiriksə, onda some'dan istifadə edə bilərik. Məsələn, can I have some coffee, please? Would you like some tea? Any is also used in positive statements, but it means it doesn't matter which. Which book can I get? Get any book you like. It doesn't matter which book. Any'ni biz bayaqda dedik ki, sual cümləsində istifadə edirik. Amma biz nə vaxt onu təsdiqdə istifadə edə bilərik. Görürük ki, burada get any book you like. Biz deyirik ki, ona sən hansı kitabı istəyirsən götürə bilərsən. Biz o vaxt onu istifadə edirik ki, biz demək istəyirik ki, bəs sən istədiyin kitabı götürə bilərsən. Fərqi yoxdur. Yəni fərqli biz qoymuruq. Yəni istədiyi seçim yoxdur. Hansı istəsən götürə bilərsən. Onda any'dən istifadə olunur. Okay. So let's check this exercise, circle the correct item. Is there any milk in the fridge? So we see that milk, in this case we need to use any. Is there any milk in the fridge? There aren't any children in the park. Bir də yadımdan çıxdı demək. Bir tərəfdə inkar varsa, buradan no işlənə bilməz. Aren't, no, 2 dənə n yanbayan olmur. İkisinə bir olmalıdır. Ya biz deyə bilərdik ki, for example, there are no children in the park. Ya da ki, there aren't any children in the park, belə. Yəni, aren't, no children istifadə olunmur, olmaz. Can I have some cola, please? Have you got any money? Is there any tea in my cup? There is no tea in my cup. Would you like some chocolate? There are no books on the desk. There is some fresh juice in the fridge. Would you like some sugar in your coffee? You can call me anytime you like. Can I have some water, please? There isn't any butter in my sandwich. So you can also see the right answers here. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So fill in the gaps with some or any. Have you got any Harry Potter books? Well, I have got some of them. Really? Can I borrow them? We haven't got any sugar. Can I get some? I can get some from supermarket. Thanks. Are there any vegetables in the fridge? Yes, there are, but we need to buy some fruit. Don't worry, I can get some later today. So you can also see the right answers from here. Okay, the next one. Look at the picture, then ask and answer the question with your partner using the words in the list. Okay, so for example, are there any chairs? Yes, they are. For example, are there any fish? Yes, it is. Is there any fish? Sorry. And you can ask a lot like this. Okay, let's go to the next one. Read the conversation between Mary and Sam. Then circle the correct item. What's for dinner tonight? How about some lasagna? Okay, have you got some recipe? Yes, I have. Let's see what we need. First of all, we need some onions and some tomatoes for the sauce. Okay, we have got enough tomatoes and onions. What else do we need? We need some oil to cook the vegetables, and we also need some meat. Is there any fridge? Yes, don't worry, we have got a lot of meat. What about cheese? Have we got any cheese? Have we got any? Sorry. Yes, we have got enough. How many packets of pasta have we got in the cupboard? I can see 2 in the cupboard. Perfect. Let's start cooking. So you can also see the right answers from this exercise. So that was the last one. See you on the next video, guys.